Assalamualaikum and hi. So today my friends and I will be giving the presentation about the magazine that we made. So the topic that we choose for our magazine is Wilderness Animal Magazine.
So before we continue with our presentation, let me introduce our group member first. So firstly, we have Ainu Madia. Secondly, we have me, Kumiwazi Ajani. Thirdly, we have Amsha Umar. And fourthly, we have Nur Safika. And lastly, we have Shafika Usna.
Next, the reason we choose animals topic is because number 1, animals appeal to people of all age and backgrounds. From majestic tigers in the jungle to playful kittens, there is something for everyone in the animal kingdom. Number 2, animals are simply photogenic. Stunning wildlife photography and captivating visuals can make our animal magazine both informative and aesthetically pleasing. Number 3, the animal world has a huge amount of content to explore. We can research the type, habitat, conservation efforts, diet, or behavior of animals in their environment.
Next topic is how we develop the magazine. First is planning and concept development. We decide what type of animal the magazine will focus on, such as pets, wildlife, specific species, or etc. Next, we determine who our readers will be, such as pet owners, animal enthusiasts, veterinarians, and so on. Next, looking at existing animal magazine to find gap in the market that we can fill. Next step is content creation. First, planning out topics for each issue. Including articles, interviews, and regular columns. Include a mix of news features, how-tos, and profiles to keep our readers engaged. We also use professional photography to enhance the visual appeal of our magazine. Next step is design and layout. To ensure that the design elements such as fonts, colors, and logos are consistent throughout the magazine, and we make sure that the magazine is easy to read with clear section and engaging visuals.
Now, let's talk about the benefits of using our magazine. There are a few benefits of using our magazine. The first one is acquire new knowledge. Readers gain a deep understanding of various animal species, their habitats, and behaviors. Using our magazine helps readers learn a lot about different animals, their homes, and how they live. They'll get detailed and interesting facts that help them understand nature better. The next one is encourage exploration. Motivates readers to explore nature, ask questions, and develop a lifelong interest in wildlife and conservation. Our magazine inspires readers to explore the natural world. It encourages them to ask questions and develop a lasting interest in wildlife and conservation. Then the third one is informs about real-world issues, provides valuable insights into the impact of human activities on wildlife and ecosystems, promoting a deeper understanding of global environmental issues. We provide important information on how human actions affect animals and their environment. This helps readers understand global environmental issues better. Lastly, we have educational resource, ideal for school projects, research, or personal enrichment, contributing to academic success and personal development. Our magazine is a great tool for school projects, research, and personal learning. It supports academic success and helps in personal growth.
So there are 4 types of animal covered in our magazine. The first one is mammal, which is like cheetah, zebra, gazelle and so on. And the second one is birds. Birds are a form of animal that can fly. In our slides here, we have eagle, peacock, magpies and so on. And for aquatic animals, we have seahorses, guppy fishes, betta fishes and octopuses. And lastly, reptiles. In our example here, we have chameleon, snakes and so on.
Okay, so next I will continue our presentation by giving the brief information of each topic in our magazine. So we have 4 major topics, which is the first one is type of animal. So this topic is to introducing types of animal that existed. For example, we have mammals, reptile, coral reef, and also ocean living. The second topic that we have is habitats of animal. So this topic is providing the information about where the animal live and also their natural habitat. For example, there are animals that live in the forest, desert, and also in the ocean. Okay, so next we have the topic of endangered species. So the endangered species is actually the animal that are facing to extinct, and there might not be so many of the animal that live in the world right now. For example, the rhinoceros. This topic is actually discussing the reasoning of why the species become endangered. The last topic that we have is animal diet. So this topic is discussing about the diet of the animals. So we have 3 major diets, which is herbivore, carnivore, and also omnivore. So herbivore is actually an animal that eat on the plant base. Meanwhile, the carnivore is a meat eater animal, and the omnivore is actually the hybrid diet animal, which is they might eat the plant base and also they can eat the meat. Okay, so that's all for the brief information in our magazine. Thank you.
Now, let's move to the lesson learned from our magazine. First, we have adaptation and survival. Insight into how animals adapt to their habitats and survive in various ecosystems teach readers about the intricate balance of nature and evolutionary processes. Our magazine shows how animals adapt to their homes and survive in different ecosystems. This helps readers understand the balance of nature and evolution. Then we have conservation efforts. Knowledge about endangered species and conservation efforts encourages readers to support and participate in initiatives aimed at protecting wildlife and preserving natural habitats. Readers learned about endangered species and conservation efforts. This encourages them to support and join initiatives that protect wildlife and natural habitats. After that, we have human impact. Section on endangered species and habitat loss educate readers about the consequences of human actions on wildlife and the environment, promoting a sense of responsibility and the need for sustainable practices. We educate readers about the effects of human actions on wildlife and the environment. This promotes a sense of responsibility and the need for sustainable practices. The fourth one is ethical responsibility. Learning about illegal wildlife trade and its impact on animal populations instills a sense of ethical responsibility towards animals and discourages harmful practices. Our magazine highlights the illegal wildlife trade and its impacts on animals. This teach readers about ethical responsibility and discourage harmful practices. Last but not least, we have lifelong engagement. Cultivating a love and interest in wildlife and nature can lead to lifelong learning and engagement in activities that promote environmental stewardship. By fostering a love for wildlife and nature, our magazine encourages lifelong learning and engagement in activities that support environmental stewardship.
In conclusion, choosing animals as a topic seems familiar, but animals have appeal for all age, and their stories include wonder, scientific discoveries, environmental challenge, and heartwarming friendships. The magazine used stunning wildlife photography in the exploration of specific species and a heavy focus on animal species endangered by humans. Therefore, with creativity and dedication, this magazine is able to inform, entertain, and inspire readers with the power of animal nature. That's all from us. Thank you.